Yeah, I'm a big fan of electric air dusters, but of course only good quality, strong air dusters. And so the question is then, of course, is this also one which you can really use in a lot of situations with a lot of power? And I've already tried it, and I can definitely confirm that this one is a really nice one. And that's this GOOLOO F3 electric air duster. I've already tested some other products from GOOLOO, and they have been performing absolutely awesome. By the way, I got this for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. I've tried it inside and also outside. Outside, for example, to clean even some water from trash bins, which is usually a problem after rain, and so it has easily been able to remove the water. It's even so strong that it can remove dirt and leaves from walkways, for example around the entrance of the home, but of course can also be helpful to clean some electric stuff, remove dust and dirt from small items, and it's even capable to inflate, for example, some air mattresses. I haven't tested that, but I have no doubt about that, because it can even inflate some birthday balloons. And so it's very easy to use. We just long press here, then we get the speed indicator, and so with a short push here in the back we can change the speed. On the slowest speed we can just activate and then it keeps working. Can even provide, for example, a nice breeze for cooling. On the second level, for example, great to ignite a fire, also in a constant mode. Just click here, you can see level 2 also keeps working the whole time. I don't have to push here, but on level 3, which is the strongest mode, we don't have a constant blowing mode because it's so strong, and there we have to keep pushing. So that's what I'm doing here to inflate this balloon. Watch the thing, how this works. I'm doing this in real life, no cutting, no editing. I mean, of course, it's not the strongest electric duster on the planet, but I would say for this size here, it's absolutely phenomenal. I have never seen one which is so small and so strong. Usually when we want to have a really strong electric dust blower, then we have to carry around a larger one than this one here. This thing is super small. You can see that here. I can easily put it into my pocket, carry around when I use it. Then I have it ready. And of course, one of the reasons why it is so powerful despite the small size is that they are using a brushless motor here inside that makes it not only more powerful but also helps regarding longevity. Yeah, this is absolutely phenomenal, and it comes also with some accessories, 4 different nozzles in total, which are easy to replace. We just unscrew it and then add the next one, secure it with a clockwise rotation, and then we are ready. It's maybe not as fast to replace as magnetic nozzles, but on the other hand, it's more secure. I just lately lost a magnetic one because it was just blown away, so I think that's the better option here. And we also get this charging cable, standard USB-A to modern USB-C. And so of course the USB-C, that's what we are using here in the back. And when we are talking about USB-C charge, then it's always interesting to know if it's supporting USB-C to C with PD quick charge, and I can definitely confirm that it's supporting that. So you can also see regarding that it's a very modern device, but of course not only modern but also very powerful, versatile, stylish, small, everything. So I would say full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.